Officers are on the scene.
Cult mom's trial. Court shown graphic photos of slaying JJ and Tylee Vallow. On Monday, Idaho examiners showed jurors depictions of Lori Daybell Vallow slaying children, a son and a daughter, who were allegedly tracked down on her significant other's property in 2020, 9 months after they vanished. As reported by East Idaho News, prosecutor Lindsay Blake detailed how Joshua Vallow, 7, was found prior to showing a picture of the boy's arm enveloped by pipe tape. She likewise showed an image of a dark plastic sack, wrapped by more plastic, which had a cut in it. Prosecutors believe Vallow Daybell's 16-year-old girl, Tylee Ryan, was cut up and burned prior to being buried on Chad Daybell's property alongside Joshua. You will hear it described as a mass of bone and tissue. That's what was left of this beautiful young woman. The defendant's daughter. Her DNA was found on a pickaxe and shovel, later located in a shed on Chad's property, Blake said. East Idaho News revealed that Blake likewise showed jurors an image of Tammy Daybell's hands posthumous. Tammy Daybell is Chad Daybell's first wife, whom Chad and Daybell Vallow are alleged to have killed in 2019. Blake remarked, Tammy had a life insurance policy. Lori wanted Chad all to herself. Tammy's gone. Vallow Daybell said she was with Melanie Gibb, David Warwick, or Chad Daybell when her 2 children passed on in her siblings' condo in Rexburg, Idaho. Vallow Daybell supposedly said she was at her home, also in Rexburg. Vallow Daybell guaranteed she was in Hawaii when Tammy Daybell was killed at her husband's home in Salem, Indiana. Vallow Daybell expressed she was with 2 others at that point. Chad Daybell is having to deal with similar penalties yet will stand trial independently. Vallow Daybell, who is thought to have been entangled with a supposed doomsday cult, purportedly let a companion know that her youngsters had become zombies and the best way to exorcise their souls was to kill them. Vallow Daybell is also accused in Arizona of connivance to carry out murder for the demise of her most memorable spouse, Charles Vallow, who was lethally shot by Vallow Daybell's sibling in 2019. Vallow Daybell went through mental treatment before she was considered fit to stand preliminary. She isn't being considered for capital punishment. Cameras are not permitted in the court per a court request. The trial is ongoing.
The link is in the description box below.